So next is Begum Jahan Shabnam ji. So please unmute yourself and share your screen.
Yes, sir. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, sir. So I am sharing my screen. Just wait. Yeah, so I hope this is visible. Yeah, sir. I hope so. This is visible. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, thank you. So, first of all, we know that CAs are revolving not around the solar system, but CAs are revolving around the due dates, right? So, even if it's the sleep, even if it's the birthday, or even if it's my anniversary, it's all relating to the due date. And we do have that name that we are always revolving around the due dates to like sort out things in life. So thereby I came with something and I thought of bringing something to be incorporated so that if at all some burden of going back to the client, pulling their legs to get the data, to get them filing on point, and many issues to avoid that, I am coming up with something that is AI powered, which is a compliance and due date tracker for chartered accountants. But wait. So maybe it is written like for CAs, but I think if the deployment is successful and if this prototype is good enough, I feel that it can not only be used by CAs, it can also be used by even tax practitioners or any other professionals as well. So me being a chartered accountant who has just qualified 3 years before, so I feel like these new generation people or the new set of CAs who are coming in, they are more into each and everything being taken in AI form. Like they want everything in the AI form because they jokingly they tell like we are from ICAI. That means I see AI in everything. So that's what they are telling, and that's what I have tried to incorporate it here. So jumping into, I already told that the compliance is having a great challenge out there because always there is a chance of some missed deadline, some penalty coming up, and the client is calling us and asking, okay, sir, have you missed it? Sir, why didn't you push us, sir? So we have to tell to the owner of the client, we have to tell, sir, I pushed. But something happened, so many conversations going on, unnecessary trouble, even some complex returns are there, or some might be missed because the CA is too busy, or some regulatory updates also might be missed out. So, like basically in case of tax compliance or any other requirement. So, because of that, I have come up with something which is an intelligent compliance automation. So, AI is something where we have to bring in the very concept of automation in it. So, here I have built something or I have used AI to build something where we input the PAN, the GST, the name, the incorporation date, the turnover, the entity type, etc. The AI does the processing using certain client data that is available. And the golden thing, AI is now going to help us to send emails and WhatsApp notifications. Oh, no. WhatsApp is hacked. Even the WhatsApp, something data might be some critical or confidential data might be lost if you're sharing with WhatsApp. Sir, we are not sharing any data with WhatsApp, but we are just asking them and we are just sending a reminder only. So I think more than a confidentiality issue, it is just like sending, hi, Navratri wishes. In the same way, we are telling, hi, you have to file the GST 3B for this month. So this is the way we have tried to incorporate. And the golden thing is smart reminders using our intelligence automation tool. And let's see how this is streamlined and how it is built. First of all, the data entry, we have created an interface. With that, we have made an AI calculation for the due dates based on what is the type of entity and what all requirements of regulations are this entity under. Now we will have a calendar, and with this calendar, we can automate the alert and also we can send the alert. Now, let me tell you like what all kind of tools I have used. Of course, I have used ChatGPT, I have used Gemini, and I have taken a little bit help of Grok as well. So why leave it Grok? Okay, so I have taken the help of Grok as well. But moreover, I have critically analyzed the what to say the prompt that is given by ChatGPT, put into different systems, and come up with different solutions, and concluded on what nuances each of them are having. Also, the hallucination factor. I was very well aware of the hallucination factor and had tried the maximum to get a reply or a prompt which is not hallucinated. And then I had used the cloud AI. Using the cloud AI, I have generated a Python code, and then I have used Python as well as Streamlit and come up with the solution. So basically, there was a code which I got from ChatGPT, which I put it into Claude because Claude is one of the best known AI. I had found number of nuances in it, took a lot of time in pointing out each nuance point by point, one by one down, and then I have come up with something. But again, I'm telling a disclaimer, this is just a prototype which I'm going to share with you. So this is the Python terminal, as you can see out here. So what I have done is, you can see the time here, last login time, Friday, October 13, 5:45 p.m. So now the time is around 6:34. So by 5:45, I have just run a Python script or a Python code out here. And after running this, I straight away went to my compliance tracker. Hula! Yeah, the compliance tracker is out here. So this is a professional like edition which I have prepared. So when you go here, you have the client's profile information to be given. So I love my name very much. So let me change this ABC. I am giving my name, Shabnam Private Limited out here. Now, yeah, I want my company as a private limited company. And in the drop down, you can see you have options for any other entity type as well. In the PAN, it is coded for a 10-digit PAN to be given. And in the GSTN, it is coded for a 15-digit GSTN to be given. In the key dates, you do have the incorporation date, because main ROC, MCA compliances depends on the due date as well. You have the financial year end to be made. You have the last AGM date also to be made, and everything is a drop down. Now, when coming to the financial information, a 3 crore annual turnover is by default present in this interface, but you can edit to whichever turnover you like. Like you want 29 lakh, I mean a 2 crore 95 lakh or something like that. Just put enter here, and then you can display it here. If you're GST registered or not, you can put a registration as yes or no, and how many states you are operating, you can add how much ever states you are registered into. Now comes the contact information. Yeah, you can add the primary client's detail here. So I like Shreyas sir. Sorry for the other judge. So I'm just using Shreyas sir name. Shreyas at ICI.com. I'm giving the primary email ID. Let it be there. And then I have a primary mobile phone, which is a 10-digit number. Now, if you want to add two people, like you want to mail the CFO, or maybe not the CFO, you want to just message the, what to say, the ROC is dealt by one person, the GST, TDS, and that stuff is done by another person. So if you want to add any additional email, you can add the additional email. Two emails are given, and additional phone numbers can also be given. So once you have given all this mandatory field, you can go to Hula, the generate compliance calculator. Once you generate the compliance calculator, you can see like there are only actually 156 compliances which is there, because my prototype only considers of data till the next 3 years. I think till 2027, I think it is there. So we are given the compliance. Now you can see a compliance calendar here, and moreover you can see completed, overdue, critical, high priority, etc. Now you can see the entity's name, PAN, GST, financial year, and then turnover. Now this is the compliance calendar we are having. Now if you come to the compliance calendar part, see, there are all the data. You can see the filing type, due date, the days left, the risk level, high, medium, low, the status of it currently, notes to that, and the penalty involved with it. Now, if you want to download it, simply you can go here, and there is a download option available here as well. And if you want to search something, you can search here. Or I want to make it big. Go ahead, make it big, no problem. You can make it big, you can search it, or you can download it. Ayyo, the person who is dealing with GST has just left the firm. What do I do? Hey, go ahead and update the contact information. It is readily available. Oh, I want to change the phone number. Go ahead and update the phone number. No issues. Ma'am, one doubt. Like if they have already filed beforehand, before the due date, how do I know that? Yeah, no problem. Please go ahead and update the mark compliance. Like if you want to mark the ADT one as complete, go ahead, mark it as completed. Then you see here, it is gone. Then straight away. If you want to go something, and if you want to change, like update status, if you click, it will get updated. Now if you want to add a note, for example, it is filed on 15/10/2024. If you want a reference number of the challan, if you want to reference to the bank statement or something, you can just give a reference here. Now if you want to map, I think for
Just a
them,
minute. Sorry.
sorry.
Just a minute left.
Yeah. So if you want to update any due dates, go ahead. If any additional due date is adding up, please do add the due date as well. Now, ma'am, what if I want to incorporate it into my own calendar? Go ahead and download the .ics file and upload it to your own Google Calendar. Now, if you want to download in Excel, go straight away, click into download Excel. It will get downloaded. CSV also you can download. Now, ma'am, I'm not getting why this compliance is like this. Go ahead. Link your OpenAI with the API key here. If you click in any item, you can get the explanation for the compliance or non-compliance if you link the OpenAI. Now, the best part, ma'am, I am going to select one of the compliance. Say AOC 4, I am selecting. And I want to send an email. See, you can send the email here by adding the sender's email detail, and you can send email using this button, or you can stimulate an email. If you stimulate an email, you can preview the email content here, which you can directly send. Hi, dear team at Shabnam Private Limited. This is an automated reminder for the compliance deadline. Now you want to set the WhatsApp reminder. Go ahead. I have linked it with Twilio software. Now if you want to send something, the stimulate the WhatsApp message. This WhatsApp message will also be there as per the details given. I don't know to like how to link Twilio. Go ahead. And I have given all the configuration helps for email setups, WhatsApp setup using Twilio, using the best and the easiest method possible. Now, ma'am, if I want to send the reminder messages every 7 days, or I want to send it 3 times before the due date, see, you can set the reminder types, time, how much time it is recurring, and you can save that. And at the end, we do have some frequently asked questions as well settled here. So this is the one which I want to share, and then ending my presentation out here: time efficiency, risk, scalable growth, as well as it is highly user friendly. Now, what is the future of this? We have a real-time
And the
integration.
time is up.
Time is
Sorry.
over.
Yeah,
Battery
so
okay?
analytics dashboard and maybe a mobile application. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Shares by you have any questions?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I have. So, Shabnam, tell me, this application will be used by your clients or by your team members?
Sir, like a reminder is being sent by us to them. Like say, for
So
example,
all the compliances which are, say, for example, to be ticked as completed or pending or whatever is to be done by your team, right?
yeah.
This is what exactly the concept which I got.
Yeah, sir. So there is a done or pending thing. So in case if you have marked something as done, and if something is pending as such, like again, we can put a recurring email or something like that. So if you are asking me, how do the person in my office gets to know that, I have to just communicate to him beforehand. Like, okay, this is already done, then it's done. So, like for example, best like if I am doing filing
So
the
there
G,
are no reminders for your team to get it done.
no, because it's not
First,
like maybe.
second, there are no mails to your clients confirming that compliance is done on time or before time. Client will get to know only when you will push the message. There are
Yeah,
no
so the
automatic push. Once it is completed, once it is marked as completed, a mail automatically should go to your client stating that your compliance is done and relax, sit back, no need to do anything else. We have done everything from your side. Can't that be
okay.
done?
Yeah, yes, sir. All that can be surely done, because that's just a matter of just a slight coding change which can be done with the, because along with the reminder to be sent, we can
So,
also add completion status gratitude message. We can add a tab like that, and we can just incorporate that as well.
because what problem I'm seeing here is you have
Mhm.
created a compliance calendar which will be downloaded in CSV. It will be uploaded to your Google Calendar.
Mhm.
Point is, ultimately, you have to take that botheration for your client.
No, sir. The
Then
CSV
after completion, if your client doesn't know whether the compliance is done or not,
Mhm.
client will call Shabnam and ask, or any team member of Shabnam and ask whether it is done. If it is not done, why it is not done.
Yeah, sir.
So
So the
it can
ICS.
be a tracker for your team, but it should generate messages to your clients also. I mean,
Yes,
if
sir.
you can, if you have already linked mail, it should automatically generate confirmation mails also that it has been done.
Yes, at least that's easily possible. Or the best thing we can do is like there is a .ics file which we are generating, right? So maybe
Mm.
along with this, we can also add send the .ics to the responsible party of the client. So if
Possibly
it's
done.
yeah, that can be
Yes, you
possibly
can
done.
attach it. You can attach it. You can send it as an attachment.
Yes, sir.
That
So
can
with
be
the
done.
yeah, sir, with the limited amount of time that is available, I know that the prototype do have some nuances, but it's easily possible, like two
It's
more
not about
buttons can be
nuances.
added.
I'm just giving you another perspective to think
Yeah, sir,
on
truly,
this.
truly acceptable, sir. That's really great.
Yeah. Rahul bhai,
Hello, nice presentation. I just want to ask you one thing. Why you added OpenAI API? OpenAI API is, I think it is paid.
Yeah, sir. If you want to integrate an OpenAI key into that, it should be ideally paid.
So why are
Like
not using Gemini or something else? Because Gemini would be free.
Yeah, sir, that can also be added, but from my perspective, from the most amount of usage which I have done is probably the OpenAI thing. So that's why I was trying to add that because I have heard something like the more you train an AI, the more you get the information on that. So I'm not telling a statement that Gemini is less trained or something like that, but with the amount of mass usage of OpenAI by more number of people in the world now, like you see, maybe Gemini might be used by less people. From this today's presentation, also you can see that most people are morely reliable or relying on open AI. So I think more you teach AI, the more you get back. So the more teaching has happened, of course, to the open AI, and therefore I have chosen that. But of course, maybe we can also add an or option to integrate Gemini also as well, rather than open AI.
How are you integrating WhatsApp?
Uh, Sorry, sir.
How are you integrating WhatsApp in this?
Yeah, sir. So in the settings portion there, which I have shown, there is something called how can we integrate WhatsApp. Let me just share my screen. Just give a moment. Yeah, so if you come here, I hope that is visible. So if you come here, you can see the configuration help, which is also attached down to the reminder portion. In the configuration help, if you see WhatsApp setup by Twilio, first you have to sign up to Twilio. Of
You're
course, this
using
Twilio is
Twilio.
kind
You're
of
not
paid.
using API,
No.
Meta Business WhatsApp API that
Yeah,
you're
we are
not
not
using.
keeping it as reference. This also can be integrated with any other thing which is more easily, and we can do use the Leo sandbox, and then we can join that using our Telio WhatsApp number and then apply
But has not
using the
yet been
WhatsApp.
tested. But
No,
has not
sir.
been tested.
For the prototype which I have there, I thought like should I log into Twilio and I set it that. But of course, I feel that this is easily possible. And also apart from Twilio, we can maybe also use any other format as well, is what I think, sir.
Thank you. That's all right.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So